Hi, I'm Brian Chris with AudioBiz, and today we're going to teach you about the preamp sections on the channel strips of the Allen Heath GLD-80. To activate the control, both on the touchscreen and the preamp section of any channel strip, simply hit the select button. We're going to select our acoustic guitar here. As you can see, we have a nice overview of everything that shows up on the touchscreen, and all of our controls are now lit up. So, we can adjust our gain both here and here. We simply hit the gain and use our potentiometer to adjust that. Our high pass filter will bring that in and adjust it here, and as you can see, the change is reflected over on the touchscreen. It's very nice because it gives you a few different options as to how you'd like to go through it. The gate is the same. We'll put that in, hit select. Instead of hitting select there, you can also select it here. But again, as you can see, any change that we make here is reflected here. The parametric EQ section, we can either drag and sweep any of the various items, or we can use our actual potentiometers over here. So moving the top one adjusts the frequency. If we push it in and then turn it, you can see that that is going to affect the Q, or the width of that particular band. And the lower knob then will be cut or boost. For the compressor, we'll again hit compressor to show you how to bring it up this way. You can also hit select. We'll bring it in. And in the same way, we can either adjust the various parameters over on the physical side, or just use the touch control and kind of adjust. One of the nice things about the compressor is we have this red display underneath. That's going to keep a running graph of the changes that the compressor is making, which makes it very easy for you to kind of tweak it out and make it look exactly how you like it. You can go over into delay. You can also set different delays. So if you'd like to time align your kick drum, for example, in this case we're going to time align the kick drum. So we'll add, we'll say 1.29 milliseconds of delay to the kick, just so that it matches up nicely with everything else. We also have routing. Now you can go into each channel individually, as we're showing right now, and route things to a stereo group or to any particular auxiliary. We'll select the drum monitor and go to the send and affect that, or on the bass actually. However, the easier way of doing the channel routing is to hit the mix button on any particular output. So we'll hit the mix on. Let's go with our G monitor for a guitar monitor. Now all of the faders are acting like auxiliary send knobs on a traditional console. So we can take our different items and we'll move them up and make them in a somewhat random fashion there. And then we'll hit the mix button again. Now we're back to the main mix. We can see that the left-right is highlighted. And so now we're just going to do a real quick front-of-house type mix. And there we go. So we'll go back to our guitar mix. And say that he wants a little bit of kick. So we'll add some kick in. Go back to our main. Turn the overhead down slightly. And back to our guitar mix again, and make any adjustments we need. So that's the basic operation of playing with the channel strips and the preamp section on the GLD-80. Again, I'm Brian Christ, and thank you for watching.